Me assure say we are aware say Kidi ene Kwame Eugene omo nyina ye signed under LYNX Entertainment me boa my blue ka ho DSL ka ho LYNX for no kwa ho bi Koka Adina ka ho ana say Adina no e Kwame fache eti dia wonim ne say ye fa bi 360 sa 360 no you know, record label no, one bet on your mama. Record label no, one bet collabo amount. Record label be a pro mama. Sounds also na sikane bar revenue no. Record label ne better te. It's na okopie mo hit FM no. Na Richie Mensah say, Kidi ni DSL pay. Any LYNX Entertainment omo ya under 360 management no. Na say Kwame Eugene there. Praise be as for the no honam. Once a huge ultimate tron nyom. Ultimate produce. As a maybe sense Kidi want me intro produce and I say dear. But I would say Eugene fast. And we in who free sa 360 nim because enter out of ka now secading in air 360. Nti anu na Richie tray mu say Kidi any DSL. Nti afọ say Kidi ni Eugene no. Me sure say by now no. Okay, you so trying to see so up and down. See so.
I want to ask, you know, you try to go in there and he brought in a certain answer, but we want to be clear. So far, said it be how many artists are there in LYNX now?
Oh, there are 3 artists on a 360 deal. So
okay.
There's Kidi, there's DJ Virusky, and there's DSL.
Okay. What carry you?
3 artists.
You know, yeah.
Then when you say 3 artists on 360, it means there are some left who are not on 360.
Yes.
So now because we have distribution, anybody can sign on to the distribution. So the 360 deal means we handle everything for you.
Yeah.
That one, if you're Sadat TSF, if we are hungry,
you go get something chop.
Exactly. But the distribution means that we are handling your music going out there. So it can come with advances, but it's not an.
Enti by now no say Kwame Eugene shoe krati a one na bepam na ade. But Kidi shoe ti omo super glue a omo de beso ama no. Sanso na ekomo de yi a Kidi a omo timi order aduane ma no. But Eugene ekomo de na jiso no ato. Fair deal. What I say say kan ban so a e beti afim aduane e to ma Kidi. Na tade ete esa ne owo chi mu no. Eye Richie na ni dawo. Woni mama obeta nyina o mani dawo. Family business no mo ye teteka etwiaka tete. Wate. Na men fancy pa.